More now on a roach problem described by health officials as explosive and excessive at the Golden Nugget Hotel Casino downtown. Contact 13 Chief Investigator Darcy Spears first reported yesterday that 2 restaurants and the employee dining room were shut down by the health district. Today she learned employees had been complaining about the problem for years. Details in a Dirty Dining follow-up.
If you're eating right now, you might want to put the fork down because these pictures health inspectors took are not at all appetizing. They're from the kitchen that services both the Carson Street Cafe and Lily's Asian Cuisine at the Golden Nugget. And as you can see, the kitchen is harboring a whole lot more than food.
The type of roaches we found, the German roaches, they are problematic and they are hard to control, particularly in a kitchen where you have everything that they would want.
According to these inspection reports obtained by Contact 13, the Golden Nugget has been repeatedly advised by their pest control company to plug holes in floors, walls, and ceilings, and to get rid of standing water and accumulated grease. Environmental Health Supervisor Larry Rogers says a roach problem of this magnitude is not new.
It could be a matter of several months for them to go to a low-level infestation that's practically undetectable into a full-blown roaches crawling around during the daytime.
Which is what you guys saw there.
It is what we saw there.
We've heard from multiple current and former employees of the Golden Nugget who say the roach problem here is nothing new, and health officials confirm that employees have been complaining about it for at least the last 3 to 4 years.
Over the last 4 years, we have had numerous complaints from the employees at the Golden Nugget about the EDR.
The EDR, or employee dining room, is thought to be the source of the roach problem. These pictures from that area show how pervasive the infestation is, and though inspectors followed up on employee complaints,
when we were there and moving around, they were probably hiding. And then now, for whatever reason, we're starting to notice them. It probably is their numbers have proliferated substantially over the past month.
Although he says the Golden Nugget has been diligent about getting professional pest control into the facilities. So whatever it is that they're doing wasn't enough.
It wasn't enough, that's correct.
They were written up in November for a fruit fly infestation, which inspectors say was still there this week. They also found an excessive fruit fly infestation in the service bar area of the Carson Street Cafe. Rogers thinks this is the wake-up call the Golden Nugget needed.
So the response was a healthy response. I'd rather see proactive than reactive in food safety situations.
Health inspectors did a survey of all the food operations at the Golden Nugget. So to put this in perspective for you, out of 67 permits, they only found problems in 5, and that translated into 2 kitchens, not the whole facility. So they want the public to rest assured that most of the restaurants in there are actually fine. The Golden Nugget sent a written statement today saying the safety of our employees and guests is of the utmost importance to us, and therefore we are going above and beyond what the health department has asked us to do in order to correct this incident. Reporting live in the studio, Darcy Spears, Channel 13, Action News.